Okay, my partner puts their hands on my body, and then he touches my back foot. Now with this exercise, my hands are free. Normally we've got weight on our bridge, which makes the mind contract. But here, I'm just going to touch his base, feel while he's got pressure on me, and this allows me to give complete freedom for my listening skill. From there, I'm going to use my hands to do most of the listening, and body to do the energetic pumping up and down. And we just basically are just floating our training partner. As soon as we've got to the place where we can map with our hands very efficiently because there's no physical pressures on our hands, we pump a little bit more energy into what we just mapped. So I'm touching, feeling, very softly pumping, and then I pump a little bit more into exactly what I mapped. If I put more energy, but it's not going into my map, it's only hitting a little bit, but I put it exactly into what I mapped, I get a better result. So we have the hands are free for listening, I map his body and feel, and then I use my leg to pump the gin into the map, and now I'm not putting it into the map, but I'm pumping gin, and it's very inefficient. And I put it back into the map, and it hits them. So you get a sense of the quality of your mapping is the quality of what you can do with the power that you send into your partner. To map well, you don't want any pressure on your bridge. If I'm here and I'm taking through here, now for me to feel his body through his tension, I've lost half my sensitivity, if not more. Where if his tension's on the body and going straight into the pump to pump the gin, and this is all free, now I can explore his body and map his body out properly, and then explore pumping energy into the wrong place, pump it into the right place, into the map, and you get a nice clean issue. Okay, have a play.